Oh, baby, you okay?
He's like, oh, it
Oh,
hurts.
look at that. Hey, are you okay?
Are you able to videotape it?
Yeah, I'm still videotaping it. You okay? You done? He's got another one in there? It looks like he has another one coming out. I think you're done.